Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to a brand new The Road with Dutty. I am here at CPTC Media Technology Institute for a show called Just for Teens. Apparently, it features kids from 12 to like 18 years old, and them get for put on them own show. You know, so them get for be the director, producer, camera person, stage manager, everything. So let's just see what it's all about.
Don't know which one is better than the other, but looking on social media, it seems that Astro is taking it.
Yeah, I only heard a few songs from both, but I hear that there's supposed to be some tough competition. I can't wait to see who's winning.
True. And
It's a big job.
I don't know why everybody.
Yo, follow me on IG, boss.
Everybody's pretty enough.
I would like that better.
You know, I love the shortest person here.
I'm not that tall, bro.
Alright, so
Brother, I'm not that tall, bro.
So since we're here talk to some young people, let me just find out some stuff. So what is like the popular dance now? What is that you?
Fortnite.
I only
What does that look like?
I only know what. No, I only know.
There's Orange Justice.
What is that?
Second. That's true.
Alright, so more and
Then come surf, and then you just do it over again.
So cross,
And you go lower and then come back up. So it's like It's like that, but like it's not like your legs are broken.
Oh, so maybe
So just just
Alright, guys, we're going to time.
Malcolm catch it, man. Show learn the dance.
No.
Alright, quick. So what's your
this is shoot.
We are going time.
Alright, quick.
So what you do is you kick your legs and you move your arms with it. Yeah, and you jump with it.
Alright, that's
We can dance after.
So that's box cover.
Box cover.
That was good.
Sorry. Okay, that was all for our interview with Dutty. Stay tuned. We have another special guest. So just for teens, we'll be right back.
I'm so proud of you, man. Oh my god, my daughter here.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Where's the kind of world famous?
Oh, so you're the floor manager?
I'm fixing the audio.
Make sure nobody comes through that.
This is the guy.
Ensure that don't come through.
So let's get to know. You know the. Can I get a napkin for Tanya nose? She's shy. Please.
Yeah.
I'm proud of her, man. These are my star students, you know. So it's good to be sure that easy
If everything goes.
It's a pilot, so.
Alright, so what's your job here?
I am the executive producer.
And who is this young lady over here?
This is Tanya
Tanya Lee Webster.
Wow, you say that, you don't know her name?
Yes, and she is the host.
Yeah.
And a junior producer, and those are the producers at the back.
Okay, I'm so going to interview them the next break.
And this is Joshua Paul, one of the next person for the
But JIS teach us something. You know one thing JIS taught you?
Alright, Jay has taught me that Jamaican news can be boring sometimes.
Very.
I was looking for the positive.
In my positive.
One person come in and give a positive, say it seem balanced.
Alright, I'm going to tell you a teacher, just teach you things about your government and yes.
Yes.
You don't make the sense you know the government and you know you.
Oh yeah, true.
You know what you want to know what JS teach me? How to zone out and not pay attention.
The song, I can't even remember the song. You know that? I can't remember the song, the theme song.
I can remember it. And then you just in Jamaican magazine and then it's a Miss Atkins' face just pop up.
Right now, I'm done for say.
Mr.
I'm
Atkinson.
just like at a
Oh, yeah,
loss
Mr.
at how
Atkinson.
tuned out these young people are when it comes to like learning about everything that's happening in the country.
It's no, that different.
Yeah,
I never used to watch much of it still, but I mean,
You
here
sound
and
like-
there,
you sound-
like me used to like issues and answers with.
Oh yeah, when them used to talk with the go. Yeah.
I didn't know that. Mr. hate it still. Mr. hate the whole program will come after cartoons
Yeah.
still, but
Me used to like when them go to the schools and talk to the pin because me used to have 1 and 2 friends.
I never.
Oh no, that was good. Because that was the only interesting thing. But
Okay.
other than that, when they went to the different schools,
Oh yeah.
other than that, no.
Yeah.
Every time my father's workplace, like how they do have cable. And Jay comes in.
Alright, so me talk to wait. So what's your name?
Gianna.
And what do you do here? What are you on set?
Oh, I'm the producer here.
You're the producer. And how?
You already know, follow my Instagram, King Jamie. You already know. King Jamie _0. You already know. Shout out to my friends, Ray, Sean, Caesar, Deshaun, Krishna.
Are you how much? 9? You're 9?
No, I'm 30.
How old are you?
He's the youngest. I'm 14. He is the youngest. So.
Oh,
I'm
and
the funniest too.
are you?
Huh?
How old are you? Patrick, how old are you?
Hey.
Idea, how much years is it?
Patrick, say your age.
Alright, I'm 14.
Okay, you're 14.
I'm 21.
Oh, 17. A deep vice section is 17. The old foot them. Tanya, 14. Look.
Turning 15.
21.
Turning, yeah.
You see thing when you're young, I actually want to round up your age. You're 40. Oh yeah, turning 15.
Why would I want to grow old?
Wait,
I have to do
that wants to be
taxes.
2?
Wants to be what?
2.
2
like,
years old?
2 years old, yeah. Like,
Pick up to yourself.
you're
Okay,
not
so yeah, how
in
much?
school, but you have
I'm
sense.
14.
How much your name?
Clinton.
Yeah, how much?
And Instagram, Clinton.
I want to see about yeah, how much, boss?
I'm 13.
Jeez, how much your name?
David.
Dave, okay.
We are now in our team chat segment where we have the most amazing Dutty Berry, which will be interviewing. Welcome Dutty Berry to the show.
Thanks for having me.
So let's get right into the interview, shall we? So who or what inspired you to do entertainment or blogging?
I would just say the need to not be a nerd because back in high school, I think nobody thought I could talk and have a personality. And so I just remembered it was time to go to college.
Yeah.
And I said, boy, you go to college, you want to be fun, you want to actually make friends. So I said, what's the best way than to start doing videos and to start to save people like you? And yeah, it kind of worked out. But yeah, that was the reason. I just wanted to break out of that, yeah.
On behalf of everyone here at the CPTC and MTI facility, Mr. Mark Anthony Deacon and Mr. Atkinson, I would like to offer you these garlic sticks as a token of appreciation.
I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And on behalf of everyone here, bless.
Yeah.
Can I tell you? Yes, ma'am. But there's no garlic.
Look, I'm a combo.
You can't want to in front of me for the first time. You know how I'm still in there.
Exactly!
But that's the ironic thing. We don't think of kind of clean.
Hello, my friend.
What yeah?
Hello,
Well,
my
yeah, so
friend.
ask the question, yeah.
Yeah, why the name Dutty Berry?
Alright, so the surname I actually buried. And the Dutty is because back in high school, you know the people that the name brand band was like John Sport and then Wolf Creek.
Yeah.
We never have that. So my mother, you know like when you have a giveaway and you have like you don't last for 4 days. And them type of something there, you know, like they go and juice it for the sun and you know. So I wanted to be like a company logo back then.
Thanks for watching The Road with Dutty Berry at Just for Teens. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share his videos at Dutty Berry Show
At Gmail.
at gmail.com.
Alright. Tell people they can follow them something if you want.
Oh, follow me at King_Jamie0. Yeah, I know.
Okay, you can follow me at _ton.yeah._. Yeah.
I'm plug your YouTube no?
Okay, Damita Joe, just subscribe to that on YouTube, and it will not lack any entertainment.
Alright.
So,
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be something in performing arts, but
Okay.
like in filming.
And you know yet artist,
We'll find something.
dancer, ravers.
I'll find
Working
something.
on the shot.
Oh yeah, that's it. Anyway, so box cover and then that's it.
Okay, one,
Alright.
2, 3. Box cover!
Alright, let's go! One more time. Let's go, set.
And that's a wrap for Just for Teens. And as you know, all good things must come to an end, right, Jamie?
Yeah. Tune in next time on Just the Teens. Tune in next time. This is.
Jimmy, talking guys. While she's talking, just look engaged. You know? See ya? Look engaged. And rolling.
And that's a wrap for Just for Teens. And as you know, all good things must come to an end, right, Jamie?
Yeah, that's right. Tune in next time on Just for Teens. I'm Jamie Warren.
And I'm Tanya Lee Webster. And this has been
Just for Teens. Finally, yes, right.
Alright. Relax. Going to wide.
Finally, this is starting about the year.
Dutty can go on stage and Joshua.
Wait, what?
Joshua.
What encouragement would you give to teenagers out there who are inspired by you?
Oh, that'd be cool. But I would say to them to just find out what are your talents. What is your gift? I'm the person who I actually realized that I like to talk, and I like to observe, and I like to see people. I like to understand people. And so once you realize that, yo, that's my gift, the next thing is to see how can I make the connections? Where can I go to show this gift? So one of the mistakes I made, but I didn't want to go join drama club, you know, in high school and these things. But me I said, boy, you know, you have an audition. I ain't really sure if you have it. You know, it's one thing when you know you can sing, you can just audition. But if you kind of want to try something, but you're not so sure, kind of hard. And so what I do just associate and, you know, find the places that, you know, your gift can be brought to the front, to the core. And then after that, it's just like to just link with people who can support you. So rope in your family, if them supportive, your friends, and you know, you take it from there.
And I'm guessing you had a lot of family support?
No.
Oh.
No,
Sorry.
Tanya. Never had that support initially because it's one thing to say, you know, mommy and daddy, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a teacher. But when you say like, you know, I'm going to pursue YouTube, it's just what? Your parents can how you ever get paid, like them not understand this. So for me, it was trial and error. And then after the commercial and the success,
And
yes, and then we're like, oh, okay, maybe it's not so bad after all. But yeah, sometimes you have to just go there and then.
And it looks like you're doing pretty well at it.
So far.
Let's hope that you continue it.
And let's hope that you start your YouTube channel if you don't start as yet.